We are going to learn about Adobe Photoshop CC. Children, you might have noticed that photographs in marriage albums, magazines or catalogs of any cosmetic company are much different from the common pictures you click daily. A normal-looking person looks beautiful, dull skin turns bright, wrinkles disappear from the face of old, and eventually a person looks better than actual. Can you imagine how it all happens? Well, this alteration is made possible with the Photoshop software. Adobe Photoshop, popularly known as Photoshop, is a graphics editing program developed by Adobe Systems. Photoshop is widely used by millions of graphic artists, web developers, photographers, as well as persons who use it for pleasure. Most of the posters, magazine covers, book covers, brochures, etc. are created or edited with Photoshop. Because of the popularity of this software, it has been accepted as an industry standard for graphics professionals and is regarded as one of the early killer applications on the PC. Let us know more. The credit for the invention of Adobe Photoshop goes to Thomas Knoll, who invented the first version of Photoshop in 1987, known as Display Program. First, let us know about features of Photoshop CC. Revised user-friendly interface. Photo editing or photo manipulation in lesser time and with little effort. Redesign powerful tools to enhance or change the color of an image by adjusting the brightness and contrast, color balance, hue and saturation levels, curves, etc. Crop or resize pictures without losing the quality of an image. Photoshop CC provides various options along with the crop tool to make it work even better. Remove the unwanted object from the picture using the vanishing pointing tool. Click and drag across an image to make fast selections with the new Quick Selection tool. Create graphics for web applications with reduced file size, thereby helping in faster loading of the website. Files can be compressed by 10 to 50% of its original size. We can also make animated graphics, GIF, graphics interchange format. Layer effects preserve the original state of an image while manipulating another version of it through another layer. We can add as many layers as we need. 3D effects incorporate completely new and improved extents to an object by introducing new 3D reflections, icons and draggable shadows. An improved print window simplifies printing options and eliminates the need for separate print and print with preview commands. The new auto-align and blend features help to save the time. The tool recording using actions in Photoshop CC enables us to add brush strokes and different helpful tools. The new addition of the video timeline panel enables you to add effects to the video clips right in the Photoshop. The blur gallery allows you to apply and combine 3 different kinds of blur and create effects. The content aware patch allows you to heal away undesirable portions of an image. Content Aware Move enables you to select pixels and drag it to some other part of an image without using layers or mask. The magical part is that it fills the hole with matching elements from the existing background and shifts the pixels to a new location. A new adaptive wide-angle filter enables you to straighten curves and lines in photographs and quickly achieve effects on the images where there is a less space. With the new powerful vector tools, designers can now design and shape graphic elements more quickly and easily. Okay, know the fact. Adobe Photoshop 1.0 was launched in 1990. Different versions of Photoshop have evolved till now, from Photoshop 2.0 to Adobe Photoshop 19.1.16. The latest version, Photoshop 18.0.1, is popularly known as Adobe Photoshop CC, released in August 2018. Now, let us learn how to start Adobe Photoshop CC. To start Photoshop, follow the sequence of steps given below. Start, then All Programs, then Adobe Photoshop CC. Know the fact: the default extension of Adobe Photos HOP file is .psd. Let's talk about components of Photoshop CC. Menu bar. It is the topmost horizontal bar in Photoshop window that contains all the main menus of Photoshop, such as File, Edit, Image, Layer, Select, Filter, Type, View, Window and Help. Options bar control panel. Immediately below the menu bar is the options bar control panel. It displays the options related to the currently selected tool in the Tools panel. Document window. It is the area that displays the image file that you want to edit. The name of the image file appears as a tab at the top of the document window. Panels. On the right side of the Photoshop window, there is a separate area for panels. Photoshop offers various panels that can either be grouped, stacked or docked. By using various options from these panels, you can monitor and modify the properties of an image. Panels can be placed anywhere on the screen. To float them, click on the top of the panel. Drag the panel while keeping the left mouse button pressed.